when we think about the problems of tomorrow, we must begin with education. And investing in our scholars' university education is investing in this country's future and in this world's future, in the leadership and creativity of future generations. The two scholars for whom we are fundraising today are already beautiful human beings, and I have no doubt that they will bring beauty, joy, compassion, and so much creativity into the world.
Welcome. This is our third iteration of the annual Akademeia Fashion Show. We tried something different this year. I hope you like it. It's all student-led, student-made. So I hope you liked it. Please enjoy.
We have a very special occasion to celebrate today. We have our annual fundraising event, which showcases so many different talents amongst our students and staff members. Our annual fundraiser is extremely important to me and something that's personally very special, because I myself have been a recipient of many different scholarships. I would never have gone to study at the University of Cambridge without a scholarship, and indeed I don't think I would be standing here today without the support and confidence of many people who believed in me along the way. And organizing this fundraiser and having a scholarship scheme in the school is certainly my way of giving back and giving forward and investing in the future of many wonderful young people who come to our school.
So today we're gathered here to celebrate our community in order to support me and my friend, who is also a graduating scholar from music, in order to pursue our further educational pursuits.
It is a great showcase of how much of an amazing community we are, supporting our outstanding graduating scholars. And this year we have Julia and Zonia, who represent the creative and performing arts, so this is particularly close to my heart. And I am incredibly proud of them. It's really an honor to have been able to work with them, and they deserve the best.
As you watch and crawl, you'll stand for more, and your panic stricken will.
I have to say that watching them especially Zonia perform in the concert, it felt like she was in almost every single piece. And to see her now versus 2 years ago when she joined the school, and to see how she has blossomed into a mature and wonderful young musician is really touching to me.
Yeah, so my plans for the future are to study architecture at the University of Cambridge, and the school has been a great support in giving me the opportunities to pursue that dream and believing in me to even dream that dream.
2 tubs, I go, 1 lady, and I can accept 2 tubs. 1, 3, 1 lady, thank you.
I absolutely loved today's event. It really showcased so much talent and, most importantly, a true community spirit, with all the families coming together, all the teachers, their students, singing together, dancing together and celebrating our scholars.